Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more insightful content like this. In this video, we're reviewing Inventory Source, a powerful dropshipping automation platform. Check the description below for helpful links to Inventory Source and other related resources based on my personal experience using the platform. Inventory Source empowers online retailers by linking them with a vast network of suppliers, all while streamlining essential processes such as product integration, inventory management, and order fulfillment. It's a perfect solution for entrepreneurs aiming to save time and concentrate on expanding their businesses. Inventory Source truly shines when it comes to efficiently scaling dropshipping operations. A key strength of Inventory Source lies in its direct supplier integrations. The platform provides access to over 230 pre-integrated suppliers, offering a wide selection of products spanning diverse categories like electronics, apparel, home goods, and much more. You can easily navigate the supplier directory to pinpoint the perfect partners and products that resonate with your niche and target market. The platform's automation capabilities are a significant advantage for any dropshipping business. Connecting with a supplier triggers Inventory Source's automated syncing of product data, including titles, descriptions, images, pricing, and inventory levels, directly to your e-commerce store. This automation eliminates the tedious manual work of uploading and updating product listings, saving you valuable time and minimizing potential errors. Order fulfillment is also significantly streamlined, especially with the full automation plan. Inventory Source routes orders directly to the supplier and automatically updates tracking information, providing a hands-off approach that allows you to dedicate more time to marketing and customer service. Even with the inventory automation plan, while order processing remains manual, you still benefit from automated inventory and product updates. Inventory Source boasts multi-channel integration capabilities, seamlessly connecting with leading platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Amazon, and eBay. This enables you to manage all your sales channels from a central interface, simplifying the process of expanding your business across multiple platforms. While Inventory Source is an undeniably valuable tool, it's important to acknowledge that pricing is tiered based on the chosen plan and the desired level of automation. The cost might seem like a hurdle initially for some entrepreneurs, but the long-term time savings and operational efficiency often justify the investment. In summary, Inventory Source presents a compelling solution for dropshipping entrepreneurs seeking a robust automation platform. It facilitates connections with a wide range of suppliers, synchronizes inventory efficiently, and streamlines the entire order fulfillment process. The extensive supplier network, powerful automation features, and multi-channel integrations make it a reliable and scalable solution for growing your dropshipping business. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore Inventory Source further and determine if it aligns with your specific dropshipping goals. This review aims to help you decide if Inventory Source is the right tool to propel your business forward.